Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes keyboard lag on Windows PC or laptop. Fix it fast. First method is change keyboard settings. Second method is change accessibility option. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.